What's up, y'all? So today, someone in my friend group is actually buying a new car. Who is it? You'll see very soon. But I've never experienced going to a dealership for a friend that's getting a new car. So I know it's gonna be pretty cool. So how do you feel?
I feel good, bro. Finally, after
You're rich.
10 years of talking about the damn car, I'm finally getting it.
That's actually crazy though. Bye-bye to the 340. Here's his new car, y'all. This guy's rich. My shit.
All right.